All right, so I'm in the engine bay now. And I'm going to continue on disconnecting our electrical. And that way we can carry on. Oh, God. Let's get everything out. Then disassemble. All right, disassemble our HVAC here. Expansion valve, all that. Get rid of our nasty, crusty heater hoses here. We may have to pull the heater core because if it was half as crusty as the engine was when it came out, I don't want to hook up the cooling system to that. That's not going to be good. And then I got to get the rest of these vacuum lines out. I'm going to work on getting the booster and master out. Basically get everything done. We do need to replace that rag joint like I discussed, but that's after. So, carrying on. All right, so I'm working on pulling the master. I got one nut off. You can see it's coated in goop and fluid and nasty. Just loosening this nut over here, and you can actually, when you turn the nut, you can watch brake fluid squish out of the threads. It's lovely. So
that was a feature on these cars.
Yeah, look at this. Brake fluid leaking everywhere. Ugh. God, what a mess. But we're gonna resolve it. This is why things take time, people. Especially when you have something that's sat for a very long time with very, very, I guess we could say little carry in between. This is what happens. But getting better. Right, so got all the hardware out of this cover plate, mounting plate for the HVAC. Got the seal out as well. You can see our original firewall color. It's very nice actually underneath there. Before someone slopped all this crap all over it, making a massive mess. So I get to pull all that stuff out. I got to pull this plug out because we'll replug that. Ugh, it's nasty. So just getting the stuff taken apart. I'm gonna get the brake lines all loose over here. Get all that stuff out. And by the end of the day, it'll be ready to clean. Clean, prep, and paint. Gotta get this underhood mat out of here too. That'll be last. Knock out that sticker too. We're gonna get the OE sticker that goes here. Make it all nice, make it correct.